Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is April 2nd. And I just want to record one last video for the week. I won't be posting a video tomorrow. But I wanted to let you know a couple of things. First of all, today you were supposed to have finished the Hearth and the Salamander. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a Google form that has, I don't know, like six or something discussion questions where I really want to hear your insight. So they're small, what's the extended response questions. Okay, so I want to hear what you have to think. It's kind of analyzing the text at this point. So I want you to take some time to answer those questions. Because of that, this is going to be your assignment for today and tomorrow. Technically, it's not going to be due until Monday. Um, so you have all of today, all of tomorrow, and if you're super bored over the weekend, which you shouldn't be because it's going to be beautiful, so get outside this weekend. But anyway, that's beside the point. Technically, I'm checking this on Monday. Okay, so make sure that this Google form that you spend a good amount of time on it, that you answer these questions thoroughly, you do some good analysis. One of the questions asks you to do a little bit of research. So hopefully you're intrigued at this point. That was quite a cliffhanger at the end of The Hearth and the Salamander with Millie. So I hope you like what you're reading. I wish we could all talk about it every single day together in person, but it's a good book for you to be reading outside of this class. So um, anyway, I feel like I always get sidetracked. So let's see. So today and tomorrow, that's your assignment, the Google form. It's coming to you right after this video. On Monday, things might start to look a little different. In some of your classes, we're starting new material, which you already are doing in this class. So things are going to stay pretty much the same in here. I'll be posting things around 2 o'clock for you. And yeah, so nothing really is going to change in here, but it might change in your other classes. We just had a meeting today, so I just want to give you a heads up. But on Monday morning, I will be posting an announcement about how things are going to change, and I'm going to post a sign up document for you to sign up for a small group chat that I want to host on Tuesday. So this time, instead of assigning your group time, I'm going to post a document on Monday, okay? And you will just sign up your name under the time that you want to meet. Obviously, please do not delete other people's names. That would be super rude. But you will have a say kind of in what group you're in and what time you're meeting. So first come, first serve. That'll be on Monday. I think that's it. So work on this document and then we will talk Tuesday. Okay, bye.